Right, it's just a short video because it's come to my attention that people are still using these child safety plugs, and they are actually a danger in their own right. The concept's a good idea, cover up the actual dangerous parts of the plug socket so that children can't get your fingers in, and you need pretty clever kids to actually get these particular ones back out because they are tough as hell. We don't need things like that in this country. Here we have a system which prevents you from entering the terminations until a spring-loaded mechanism, just make sure that's off, is pressed, which allows you entrance into the dangerous parts, if you like. One thing about these plugs though is kids can get them out and then they start fiddling. We give them things to try and play with all the time. Watch what happens here. That safety plug has just become a danger in its own right. Without that safety plug being inserted, I would not have been able to get them screws into them holes. That could be a hand that's in between that, instead of this little light bulb. Now, luckily, a lot of houses in this country with updated electrics generally have something like this protecting the sockets, which would stop a fatal shock being delivered, but still wouldn't stop a shock in any way, shape or form. If your sockets are not protected by these, protected by normally one of these two, then you could get a fatal shock, most definitely, from this scenario happening. Where the easiest thing to do would be to simply not have them in, and then you can't do anything. But as soon as that is entered in, turn that off, it'll be allowed to go down. Just to further reinforce not using them, I've set up a scenario here that could quite happen in anybody's home. We've got obviously the safety plug, which has allowed me to do this in the first place. We've got a set of tweezers and a hair clip. As you can see, we can just get power from them. So, throw them away. No good.